Everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this quick get ready with me using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. This is not going to be like a full review, but so far I love this palette, you guys. This is my first time using it. All of the colors are super soft and super creamy, and there are a lot of pinks, purples, golds, and nudes, which are all of my favorite eyeshadow colors to use. So yeah, I'm just doing this really simple like rose gold lid, and yeah, I just want to do this quick get ready with me. You will probably be seeing this palette a lot in the future, but I'm not going to do a full talk through, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.